At Missoula Concrete Construction, we manufacture Volt concrete waterless toilets in a variety of sizes and styles. We have single-unit floor plans, double-unit floor plans, optional storage rooms, privacy screen options, multiple design options, and we can customize buildings according to your needs. Vault toilets are 100% concrete facilities that don't require plumbing. They come with waste cleanout access and an odor-reducing ventilation system that uses passive airflow to draw odors away from the building. Vault toilets offer extreme environmental, vandal, and fire resistance and require very little ongoing maintenance. This makes them an ideal solution for remote or populated areas that require minimal maintenance and long-lasting durability. Vault toilets are prefabricated off-site and delivered fully constructed and ready for installation by our team or yours. During installation, a concrete vault is lowered into the ground and a butyl rubber seal is used to secure the building to the top of the vault. At Missoula Concrete, we understand that every customer has unique needs when it comes to outdoor restroom facilities. That's why our Vault toilets are ideal for government agencies, park departments, contractors, private landowners, and more. Contact our sales team or request a quote at missoulaconcrete.com.